What is a registered agent? Does your nonprofit organization need to have one? And what does a registered agent do? Let's talk about it. A registered agent is a person or company that serves as an official point of contact for a business entity like a nonprofit in a particular state. Every state in the country requires a nonprofit to name a registered agent if it is incorporated in the state or doing business in the state. The reason a registered agent is required is because the state government wants to be sure that it can reach the organization in the event there's important official correspondence that needs to be sent. For example, service of process for a lawsuit if the organization is sued, notices about state filing and tax requirements, and notices about government investigations. The bottom line is that state governments are worried that without a registered agent present in the state, business entities could avoid being held accountable for potential wrongdoings simply by disappearing. Because of this concern, a registered agent is always required to designate a physical address in the state where they can be reached. This can be a home or a business address, but a P.O. box or a similar mailbox service is not going to work. Be aware, though, that the registered agent's street address and sometimes other contact information will be a matter of public record, so keep that in mind before using a home address for this purpose. State law will determine who is eligible to serve as registered agent for an organization, but typically this can be an individual over 18 years of age who is a resident of the state, maintains a business office in the state, for example, an attorney, and/or is an officer, employee, or board member of the organization. As an alternative, you can also use a company called a commercial registered agent, which are companies that are licensed in the state to provide this service. Now, this can be a great solution, but this comes at a cost because commercial registered agents typically charge between $100 and $500 per year. Just because registered agents are a point of contact for the organization and may receive service of process in a lawsuit does not mean that the registered agent is responsible for the actions of the organization. A registered agent is generally just responsible for being reachable at the designated physical street address, keeping their contact information up to date, and making sure the organization is promptly notified of any correspondence that the registered agent receives. In summary, every state has registered agent requirements, so this is one of the first things a nonprofit organization needs to think about before incorporating in the state or carrying on programs or business activities in the state. That should do it for today. For more information, visit the website at SE4nonprofits.com. See you next time.